I am finally on Christmas vacation. So Brown Elephant, what do we want?
Chocolate fluffy Elephant.EXE. You have been a bad boy this year. It's time to go to the Christmas school.
No! Not Christmas school. This is the second time and I am going there.
Too bad. Get in the carriage right now.
Oh my God. Why do we have to be in the Christmas school?
I know. Today is my 8th date with half-evil Barney. However, I got sent to summer Christmas school.
Hello everyone. I am Letitia. I will be your teacher. Let's take out of homework.
Man. I really hate homework.
Oh, I know. Let's randomly guess our homework.
Let's see your works now. Oh, how dare the 6 of you wrote the wrong opinions. That's it. Today it is now lunchtime.